Hi, I'm Stuart. Do you have a legitimate and permitted septic system that is failing or ailing? If so, I've got great news. Hoosiers can now install one of these, a SludgeHammer aerobic bacteria generator, into your existing septic tank to remove the biomat buildup and regenerate your system's ability to absorb water at a fraction of the cost, often, of a traditional replacement system. That's right, SludgeHammer is the first aerobic bacteria generator technology approved in Indiana to be installed directly into your septic tank. It works by generating a proprietary bacteria that aggressively consumes the nutrients in your wastewater, both in your tank and in the absorption field, including the mucus biomat that traditionally clogs your absorption field, causing failure over time. Again, this SludgeHammer installation is for rejuvenating failed systems or as a proactive measure to safeguard your current functioning system or for your brand new system. Email me to find out more about this system or to become a SludgeHammer certified installer. Thank you.